Hey guys, so this is the makeup look I did today. I did something pretty natural, just some eyelashes, my brows, and then foundation. That's natural to me. And then I just put my hair up in a little messy bun with a scrunchie. I took my outfit pictures already, but I'm not really happy with how they came out because it's a really cloudy day and I took them outside, and so the lighting wasn't the best, but I'll definitely be uploading those to my Instagram, which I'll link down below. Right now I'm going to eat some dinner and then I'm gonna go to Ulta maybe and to deliver the package. So once I'm on my way, I'll be back with you guys. So this is the outfit. It's just my plaid shirt, just a yellow plaid shirt with some black Levi's, and then I'm gonna wear some black tennis shoes as well. Right now I'm wearing sandals because I'm just gonna eat dinner, so I'm like, once I'll leave I'll put my tennis shoes on. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a quick flick outfit flick.
Acabé de almorzar, blah blah blah. Then ahorita regreso, me voy a ir a bañar.
My brother is teaching me how to vlog.
And then that's it.
So I just finished eating. I ate caldo de pollo even though it's super hot outside. But I'm about to go deliver the giveaway prize for our giveaway winner. Guys, so we dropped off the package for our giveaway winner, and then my sister wanted to go to 7 Leaves, which is they sell boba and stuff. So we went there. She's dogging me. And then we came to Smith's to buy sushi, and I bought some chips. And we're probably gonna go to the drive-through car wash. Yes, we are.
You're trying to sound cool.
Oh, yes, we are.
Drive-through car wash.
Yeah, we are. We came to the car wash. I told you guys.
Mira, te regresó.
Hey, make sure all the windows are up.
$3. This is one.
You want to promote?
For only $3.
Dang. Saluda. I don't know why it doesn't focus. There we go, but I'm currently in the restroom right now. I have to clean them because there's gonna be a party tomorrow here at my house. So I'm gonna clean the restrooms right now and then I'll get back to you guys. I'll clean all that nasty stuff off the mirror. So I just finished cleaning the restroom and now I'm just gonna chill with my family outside. It's pretty nice weather. It's still hot, but it's bearable now, so I'm just gonna relax outside. Okay guys, so my camera's about to die, but I just wanted to show you guys real quick. This bun is a scam. So basically, if you guys know me, you know I don't have a lot of hair. And due to stress and stuff, it falls out even more. So when I put it in a bun, it looks really dumb, like my big old head in this tiny bun. So what I do, or what I like to do, this is my hair right here, and then these are some extensions that I put in. What I do is I put my hair up like this without the extensions obviously, and I take this and I do a little part right here, and you guys can see that's where the extensions are. So I'm actually going to take it off right now, and it's just one piece to give the bun more volume and just make it look like I have more hair. I also take a scrunchie, I tie the scrunchie, and I wrap the hair around the scrunchie, and the scrunchie helps make it look fuller as well. So this is without the extensions, just the scrunchie, and it already makes a difference. Oh Lord. Okay guys, so I just showered and I wanted to show you guys what it's looking like so far for the party. This is my backyard. They still need to put the manteles on the tables, but this is where the party's gonna be at. The banda's gonna be right here. Look how nice it looks from this point of view. Looks so pretty. yeah, this is where the party's gonna be at. Like I said, they still need to put the manteles, but it already looks so cute. So, and then I don't know if the tacos lady is gonna be like right here, or if she's gonna be over there in the cement. This is my baby Shadow, and there's my baby Bruno. I don't know where Thor is right now. That's my other dog. I found my outfit, guys.
It's not on, is it?
Yes, it is. Biker shorts with this super cute top and this hat. Is there better lighting here?
Oh no, the light, the camera looks orange. Put it back here.
So I just got out of my sister's house. This is the shirt that I'm wearing. You guys can't really see it, but when I get home I'll show you guys. I just put it on there and I didn't want to take it off because it's kind of complicated to put on. It's like one of those that you have to tie. So I was like, I'll just leave it on and then go get ready at my house. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I am done getting ready so I can show you guys the full outfit pictures. The full outfit, not pictures. But yeah. Hey guys, so I just finished getting ready. I actually finished like 20 minutes ago, but I was outside taking pictures. I don't know if I should do my hair differently. Okay guys, so I decided to change my hair. I ended up straightening it and I just parted it through the middle. I had parted it to the side. I didn't really like how it looked, so yeah, I straightened my hair and parted it through the middle. I think it looks better than the cola that I had on. Hey guys, my cousin's here. Yeah, I'm getting indecisive if I should continue the vlog or not because I get shy around people.
Don't get
Yeah,
shy,
I'm telling them.
girl. Oh, you're talking to me.
Well, I already told you.
No se me olvida tu nombre, no se me olvida tu acento, no soy pobre, no soy rico, pero sí soy de belleza. ¿Para qué te pones triste? Si es inútil el que ignore, porque desde que te fuiste
¡Anda, pedo!
Party's over, guys, and I'm so tired. My feet are killing me. I still have to take off my makeup, and I hate that part because, you know, when, like, I don't know if it's just me, but you're just so tired, you just want to knock out, and you have to take your makeup off. It sucks. But I'm gonna do that, and then I don't know if you guys can hear my voice. It's like ronca because the music was so loud. I was like screaming, and now my throat hurts. But yeah, I'm just gonna take my makeup off right now and then go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And follow me on my other social media accounts that are linked down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys next time.